Good morning, my dear students. As you watched the video of number of nouns in which you learnt various rules how to form nouns from singular to plural number. So here we are going to talk something more about nouns which was not covered in that video. So let's start it. We are going to learn something more about number of nouns. Some nouns are always used in the singular. For example, furniture. We always say the furniture of my house is new. Whether furniture is containing one item, two items or many more. So it is always used in singular sense. Next example, scenery. The scenery of Kashmir is charming. Scenery is always considered in singular number. Next examples, news. This news is true. Whether the news is one or more than one, it is always considered as singular. Innings. The first innings is just over. Mathematics. If we are talking about a subject, mathematics is an interesting subject. In the same way, physics. Physics is my favorite subject, right? So these were some of the examples where the nouns are always used in singular sense. Now some nouns are always plural. For example, alms. Alms were given to the poor. Cattle, as I hope everyone knows what is cattle. Cattle is already a group of different animals. So we say cattle are grazing in the field. Scissors. My scissors are lost. If we are talking about scissors, then it is always considered in plural sense. But if we say a pair of scissors or two pairs of scissors, then we can say pair and pairs. But if we are talking only about scissors, then it is always plural. In the same way, trousers. His trousers are torn. Spectacles. Where are my spectacles? Poultry. These poultry are mine. So here, I hope you have must heard it for the first time. Poultry is also used in plural number. These poultry are mine. Clothes. We always dress up in different clothes. We wear more than one cloth. So we always say his clothes are always smart. Next, fish and hare are singular when they are used collectively, but when they are used to point out separate things, they are used in the plural. It would be more clear to you by looking at the examples. So first is, there is plenty of fish here, means one kind of fish only, one breed of fish only. But if we say there were some red and white fishes caught, that means there were more than one breed of fishes, right? Some were of red color and some were of white color. So the colors were different, that means breeds were different. In that case, we will say there were some red and white fishes caught. Mary has golden hair, means Mary के सारे बाल golden हैं. But if we say he has few white hairs in his beard, means his beard is of black color, but there are only few white hairs in his beard. In that sense, we would say hairs. Next, when the subject changes from singular to plural, the predicate of the sentence must change too. Means we are to change the verb of the plural sentence also, as it is dependent on the verb. As we take care of the verb while formation of a sentence, in the same way if we are changing the subject of the sentence, so we are to change its predicate also. Examples: That boy works hard. Now we are talking of a single boy. But if we convert it into plural, then we say those boys work hard. Now works has been changed into work. That means verb of the sentence gets also changed. The child's foot was injured. The children's feet were injured. Child to children, foot to feet, and was to were. The bird lives in its nest. The birds live in their nests. Now, its is used for singular and their is used for plural. Bird singular, birds plural. Lives for singular and live for plural. We do not use s with the plural noun in present indefinite tense. A fox has a tail. Foxes have tails. Fox to foxes, has to have, tail to tails. Means we are taking care of each and every word which is to be changed into, converted into plural sense. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you so much.